Hello, my name is Sergey and this is my first project for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Project 0. The application will allow you to search all pages on the internet and give a more relevant answer to your request. The page has a navigation menu with which you can switch to other pages. Next, you can see the application logo below the form with which we can search for information on the internet using the Google Search API. The form passes a parameter named query, where the length of the value should be not more than 2038 characters. Application forms have a title attribute. When you hover, you can see the value. Other auxiliary attributes are also used. Here, the icon is a decorative element, and the microphone icon performs the function of voice input. The voice input function is not available due to the lack of JavaScript. To send a request, you need to click on the Google search button or by default the Enter key on your keyboard. There is also a button I'm feeling lucky that redirects to the very first and accordingly to the most relevant search result. This section describes in which language it will be more convenient for the user to work with the application. It should be dynamic in future development. The last part of the page is a footer that contains the localization of the user and various links to other pages. The page is flexible when changing the width of the device. Some elements change their size or height using other styles. The application page will allow you to search for all the images on the internet. The Google image search page is similar to the Google search homepage, only the form now passes an additional hidden parameter, TBM, in the form, which forces the Google API to give us a set of images as search results. Also on the page are missing to the section language line and submit buttons that are on the home. Their enter button is a blue icon or the default enter key. Search by picture or voice input icons work in conjunction with JavaScript, which is not yet available. Google Advanced Search page is a way to customize your Google searches with a set of special instructions. Known as operators and commands, these advanced Google search instructions tell Google that you don't want to search the entire internet front to back and top to bottom, and are instead interested in more specific queries. After the request, you can see in the address bar those parameters of the extended search. Also, if you notice, then these parameters can be passed without an advanced search form and with the help of operators in the search line. For example, these instructions are described here. The page is also flexible. When you change the width, some elements behave differently if compared with other pages. For example, the menu is completely hidden and the form fields are stretched to the width of the device for more convenient input from a mobile device. It was a tour of the Project 0 application. Thank you for your attention.